In this tutorial, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks you can use when using the pen tool. So let's go here to the left side, select the pen tool. First tip is when you go here to the gear, and when you select the rubber band, I'm going to change this to 2 pixels so you can see it better. Let's do red. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in, and I'm just go ahead and make a point here. And what the rubber band shows you is the kind of like a guideline, like right here. And let's go ahead and make a point there, drag it to the right, kind of like that. Next tip is before you let this go, hold Alt, bring this in, and I'm just holding the space bar to drag it to the right. Now let's say if you accidentally make a point right here, before you let it go, you hold the space bar and you can drag that anywhere you want. So I'm gonna put it right there, let go of the space bar, hold Alt, bring that in like that. And to change this anchor point, so this line matched the grenade right there, I'm hold Alt and I'm gonna drag that kind of like that. Now the next tip, let's say if you accidentally make a point there, but then you add another point here and you want to go back and fix that. So what you do is hold Control and you can drag this to here. Now the line doesn't go with the curve of the grenade. To fix that, you hold Alt, select that. Now it's gonna give you 2 anchor point. Let go of Alt, hold Alt again. Now you could adjust the left side. Now you can fix that, let go of Alt, hold Alt again. Now you can fix the right side. And what I'm gonna do here is hold Control and I'm gonna bring this back right here. I'm gonna go my regular speed and I'm gonna show you how easy it is using the pen tool. All it takes is just practice. You just gotta get used to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make a point there. I'm gonna drag it to the right like that. Hold Alt, bring that in. And I'm just using the space bar to drag it. And make a point there, drag that kind of like that. Now where the rubber band effect really helps is right here. You see how if I make a point right there, it doesn't look right, but if I make a point right there, hold Alt, bring that kind of like that. And I'm just holding the space bar again, dragging that up. And I'm just make a point there and drag that kind of like that. Hold Alt, bring that in. So I'm just do it right here. Same thing, hold Alt, bring that in. Hold Alt, you could bring it in or just bring it towards the path that you're gonna go, kind of like that. And again, the rubber band effect comes handy, like right here, you can see it. Make a point there, drag that kind of like that. And I'm holding the space bar again, make sure that looks good. And I'm gonna go there, make a point there, drag that kind of like that. Hold Alt, bring that in. So you can zoom in, make it a little bit easier. Just make a point there, drag that kind of like that. Again, you can see the rubber band is helping out a lot. Point there. Now this one, I'm gonna hold Alt, bring that in like that. Drag that up. Hold Alt, bring that down kind of like that. Hold Alt, bring that in. Same thing, hold Alt, bring that in. Make a point there, drag it to the right. And just go ahead and close that out. And the last thing you have to do is right click, make selection for that 0, click OK. And just go down here and select the mask. Now you have a clean background removal. So hopefully these tips help. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and I'm gonna see you guys next time.